Hi children. So the next topic is a pinhole camera, which is in the textbook 110. Okay, that we will see when your classes starts. Okay, that means offline class starts. Okay, that I will show you how to make a pinhole camera and how to see the images and shadows through it. Okay, that I will show you. Okay children. So just go through it and observe the things. Okay. How we can make a pinhole camera, just go through it. Practically that will do it when the offline classes starts. Okay. Come, we will do one more activity, activity 6. Okay. Come. See here, let us use a piece of a pipe or a long rubber tube. Okay. Come, we will see one more activity, that is in the next page. Okay. See, if you take a piece of pipe or a long rubber tube that you will have at your home, if you take a piece of pipe, light a candle. Okay, take a candle and light it and fix it on a table. Keep it on a table at one end of the room. Okay, understood children? So take a candle and light it and keep it on the table. Now standing at the other end, that means from some distance you stand. Okay, and look at the candle through the pipe and look the candle through the pipe. Look here, you take a pipe like this and see the candle through the pipe. See, is the candle visible? Yes. Okay. Now you bend the pipe and now you see the candle. Is it visible now? No. Why? What do you understand from this? This suggests that the light travels along a straight line. Okay. The light travels along a straight line. So that when we bend the pipe, we are not able to see the light of the candle. No. See, when it is straight, we can see the candle. Okay. Light of the candle. When we bend the pipe, we cannot able to see the candle. Why? Because the light travels in straight line. See, it won't bend. Okay, the light what we see is can travel through straight line. Understood children? So that's why when there is an opaque object that comes in the path of the light, means what will happen? The shadow will form. Okay, if we keep a object in front of the light, what will happen? The shadow will form on the other side. Okay, on a screen. Okay, understood children? Come, we will go to next page. Mirrors and reflections. We all use mirrors at home. Okay, you look into the mirror. So we all use mirrors at home. Okay, you look into the mirror and see your own face inside the mirror. Yes, no children? You have your mirror at your home. You can see your face in the mirror. No. Why? How you can see your face in your, how you can see your image? That means what? Yourself in the mirror. What you see is the reflection of your face in the mirror. Okay, what you see is the reflection of your face in the mirror. We also see the reflections of other objects that are in front of the mirror. Sometimes we see reflections of trees, buildings and other objects in the water of a pond or a lake. See, if you can see some buildings or trees, reflections of trees that you can see in the pond, water of a pond. No, that is due to reflections. Okay, understood children? Come, we will do an activity. Look here, this activity should be done at night. Okay, in the dark room. Okay, ask one of your friends to hold a mirror in his hand at one corner of the room. Okay. See, go to a dark room, take a torch with you, ask your friend to help. Okay, understood? Tell one friend to hold the mirror. Okay, and one friend to stand like this here. Okay, understood children? So after that, what you will do? Stand at another corner with a torch in your hand. Okay, see, you stand in another corner. Ask your friend to stand in one more corner and one more friend in one corner. And tell him to hold the mirror, okay, in his hand. Okay, cover the glass of torch with your fingers. Okay, and switch it on. So switch on your torch. Adjust your fingers with a small gap between them so that you can get a beam of light. So switch on the torch. Okay, direct the beam of the torch light onto the mirror. So focus the light on the mirror that your friend is holding. Okay, so your friend is holding a mirror. No, so apply light on the mirror. Do you see a patch of light on the other side? Now adjust the direction of the torch so that the patch of light falls on the another friend standing in the room. See, if you change the direction of the torch, what will happen? You can see the patch of light on your friend, another friend. See here, if you hold a torch like this and if you apply the light on the mirror, you can see a patch of light on the mirror. See, if you adjust the torch, what will happen? That light will fall, that patch will fall on your friend. Okay, understood children? That light will fall on your friend. So, this activity suggests that a mirror changes the direction of the light that falls on it. Okay, understood children? So, the mirror changes the direction of the light that falls on it. Okay, that is why we can see the reflection of our image. Okay, we see it changes the direction. Okay, understood children? The light which falls on it falls on the mirror, and the mirror changes the direction and sends back through us, so that we can see see our face on the mirror. Okay, understood children? So, come we will see one more yeah. And here is an activity that shows light travelling along straight lines and getting reflected from mirror. We know light travels in a straight line, and also we know the mirror the light is reflected from the mirror. Okay, that we know. So, come we will understand that further by one more activity. Fix a comb on one side of a large thermocol sheet. Take a thermocol sheet like this, fix a comb like this, okay, and fix a mirror on the other side. Fix a mirror on the other side like this in a cross way. Okay. Spread a dark color sheet of paper between the mirror and the comb. Okay, dark color sheet. Understood? Keep this in sunlight or send a beam of light. Take a torch and send a beam of light towards the comb. What will happen? You can see the pattern, shadow of the comb. Okay, understood children? And also one more pattern that is nothing but the light reflected from the mirror. Okay, that is the image of the comb which is reflected from the mirror. Okay, understood? Look here children, what is happening if you are if you switch on the torch, means what will happen? The light will fall on the comb. So, the comb these places that it will obstruct the light. What will happen? The shadow of the comb will form on the this cardboard. Okay, the light which escapes through the gap in the comb, that will fall on the mirror and it will get reflected, and again one more image that we will get. Okay, that is the reflected image of the comb. Okay, this is the shadow and this is the reflected image. Okay, this tells the light travelling in a straight line and getting reflected from a mirror. Okay, this is the reflected image and this is the shadow. Okay, understood children? So, what we know from this chapter is light travels in a straight line, and when a opaque object comes in the path of light, its shadow we will get the shadow of it. Okay, and and shadow needs a to get the shadow it needs a screen. Okay, understood children? And also we know the light will get reflected from the mirror. Okay, this much we saw in this chapter. Understood?